Morning, morning! These days are very depressing and very cold. I don't like winter. But today we are going to make Uyghur winter breakfast. But first, I'm going to change. But first, I need my peanuts. Yes! Let's begin! Put in the oil so it barely covers the peanuts. Turn on the fire. I'm using biggest fire and I'm going to turn it down to the medium heat. Wait until you see tiny bubbles in the oil. After that, I'm going to turn the fire down to the low heat. Let it slowly fry for about 10 minutes. And don't forget to stir it once in a while. Give some love. Take time. They are now very hot and a little bit soft. You have to wait until it cools down. After they cool down, they become crunchy and nice. Now I'm going to begin with the salad. We are going to chop and grate these vegetables. I'm going to use this one, radish. Hot red chili pepper, mild green pepper, garlic. Put 2 tablespoons hot oil on the garlic. Salt, sugar. Put in 1 tablespoon black vinegar. That's it for this morning. It depends on the season. We eat different vegetables and fruit in the morning, such as raisins, walnuts, and figs, almonds, peanuts. In the winter season with radish, salad, but always with naan and milk tea. And in the summer, we eat grapes in the morning with naan and milk tea. My dad used to say always in Uyghur, "Atigan qilsang nashta, kisal qilmas bashta." It means in English, if you have a good breakfast in the morning, you will not get ill in your head. So it's very nice to remember that. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you next week. Bye!